Hello all, this is Jay, and in this video we are going to discuss about IAM policy. So in the previous video we discussed about how to create a user and how to create a group and associate user with this group. And now on this video we'll create a policy and attach with the specific user. And we are going to in this video we are going to cover attach admin policy and check the IAM user creation, like we are able to create user or not after attaching admin policy. And we are going to create EC2 full access versus read only access, and we are going to test it. And along with this too, we are going to check the custom policies. What and all comes under the custom policies, we are going to check that. So we'll have just one user which we are going to use for testing. Okay, I've just logged in using the root user. You see the account ID, and I've just logged in using the root. Now, let's say before creating a policy, I would like to show you one thing, which is from root. You can, if you want to open this multiple sessions, right? So let's say if I open the duplicate session here, uh, let me just open AWS login. So if I try to log in, sign in. So it will log in with the same root user. You won't be able to log in with the other user ID. Instead of that, if you want two sessions with two different account, what you can do here is a turn on multi-session. So you can just turn it on. So let's say multi-session has been turned on. Now it's been turned on. So see here you will see the option add session. So if I click on add session, it will just open the new session. I can log in with IAM user. If you remember last time we created one user with name J, we'll log in with that user and we'll give that password. And here I'll just add my account alias. So either you can add account ID or alias. So I'll just sign in. So if you see here, I've logged in as a J, and that is IAM user. So on the second tab, I'm logged in as a IAM user. On the first tab, I'm logged in as a root account. So this way you can now turn on two sessions. And so this is like when you're creating a policy and all, to test that policy, you can do this. Now let's move into creating a policy. So let's say we have J. If you see, it's just part of one group. Let me open this. So it's part of admin group, but it does not have any permission or policy attached to it. Now we'll attach one policy here. So let's say if I'm logged into user, first we'll check without, let's say on the coming back to first tab, without creating any policy, we will test it how it is. Let me go to a second tab with IAM user. Instead of what I'll do is I'll keep two sessions here. mm, okay, so on the left side, we have a root session. On the right side, we have IAM user. So at this moment, we have not assigned any policy to this permission to this user. So let me try to create one user. Let me just go into IAM and try creating a new user. So I just came in here. So if you see, we see it here, access denied. We won't be able to create any new user because we have not assigned, I mean, no, we have not given necessary permission. So now let's give this user a permission. So what we'll do is we'll just add permission, and attach a policies directly. So what we are going to give is administrator access. So let's give a full admin access and next add a permission. So we have given a one permission which is administrator access. Now on the right side here, let's refresh it. Just a second. I'll just show you. Yeah, just give me a second. And it is okay. It did not work because I had associated the wrong permission. So let's say in permission policy, I'm going to add a permission, and attach policy directly. And I'm going to, yes. So we are going to give this administrator. Let me just maximize for a minute. Yes, this one, and next add permission. So to this user, we have assigned is a admin access. So it's a part of admin policy. Now we are into dashboard. Now let's refresh it. Yes. See now if I maximize this user window and go on to IAM dashboard, see I can this user can see the user and creator, my other users and creator user as well. So for testing, I'll just create one user. Next, next, create user. See, I'm able to. Now what I'll do is I'll come back to this root and I'll remove the permission. So if I remove the permission, remove. So let's say I'll remove the policy. One policy got removed. Now we have removed it from the root. If you see here, now coming back to this IAM user, we're into J. So let me refresh this. See, not able to modify anything. So this is how you assign the policy and admin access and all, and then you can remove it if needed. And let me show you one more thing. I'll just add permission and show you attach policy directly. And this is admin. Next option. Now I wanted to show you one thing here. It may take a second. Now policy in this window, Now, if I the way we have assigned this policy, admin access. Now, under the admin access right, what and all it contains? It allows this 469. So it allows everything. Whatever you see here, it allows everything up to all these pages. And you can see this JSON as well. So here in JSON, what you see is this is the version and effect. So what it does is it allows action means do anything. The star, the asterisk, right? Asterisk means it allows to do anything to any resources. That is, if you are familiar with JSON, you can create this policy from here as well. Now, under policy, just one more thing I will show you. You can create a custom policy. Right? Let's say if you want, you can create any services. You can take, let's say, select EC2 services, and you can see the allow, effect, allow or deny, and just you can select one instance here. Let's say you can take any of the one instance and add it here. So what we will select one as a this one, create a instant event Windows. So and what we'll do is specify the resource. We'll not modify anything here. No resource specified. So we'll have to specify one resource. So here I have selected all and let me type. So this policy has been created. Now policy name required C2 C2 custom and create. So we have created one custom policy which is C2 custom. Yeah, this is our policy. So if you see here, now this is the policy we have created. Now if you see here, you can see what and all I have done. So this is the policy SID. So this is the ID and effect. It allows what action? So create a instance event and resource. Resource asterisk as in any. So this is how you can read it. So for this video, this is what I wanted to show you. If this was helpful, if this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It's a small thing for you, but it will be a big help for me. Thank you.